Chick-fil-A is banning customers from ordering too many sauces. You remember the other day we were talking about Starbucks and how they got those orders that were just completely out of control? It would be like 17 different modifications. Well, this is the opposite of that. Chick-fil-A, apparently there's some sort of sauce shortage.
Oh.
And apparently Chick-fil-A has a reputation for being very accommodating. So you know they don't like this too much. This last year forced significant changes in the retail space, and it also goes for restaurants. Nationwide, Chick-fil-A is banning customers from the amount of sauces you can order. So not the variety of sauces, but the amount. If you're one to ask for copious amounts of sauces at Chick-fil-A, you'll be disappointed during your next visit. The fast food chain alerted customers on May 10 it would be limiting the number of sauces a customer can order with their meal. What if you want to pay extra? I don't
think they give that option, right?
1 sauce per entree, 2 sauces per meal, and 3 sauces per 30-count nuggets.
Right. They should really...
what do you want to do, Will?
Should they start charging it? Because at this McDonald's, it was free before. Right? Like
well, wait
a
second.
long time ago.
Wait a second.
Huh?
Explain to me what's going on here.
Well, every time I would get sauces...
Yeah.
This was probably 10 years ago. They used to be free. Get as much as you want.
Really?
But now they charge 25 cents, 50 cents.
So charging it is another way of limiting how many people are going to overdo it. That's another option. You can either tell them, look, we're temporarily suspending all the extra sauces, or you can do what McDonald's did there in your case, put a cost on it, and people will inevitably order less of it. The reason they're cutting back on the sauces is due to industry-wide supply chain shortages.
Oh.
So I don't think it's going to be permanent. I think that they like being accommodating and giving you all the sauces you would like.
Yeah, unlike McDonald's.
But it is a curious number, isn't it? 3 sauces per 30-count nuggets? That's not a lot of sauces.
No. And they're like the little packets, right?
30-count nuggets? Yeah. Damn. I don't even know what a nugget is without a sauce.
Yeah.
I don't know what you do with that. Anyway, be on the lookout.